So we have the Lifetime Hydros kayak. Got it at Tractor Supply. Has a 225-pound weight limit. Obviously 1 occupancy. It's got a place to put your water bottle. So this is $1.99 at Tractor Supply. And we're gonna fish this little pond here. And now we'll catch some brim, but you know, we'll see what else we can get. So far so good. Got a little bit of water up here from my shoes, but it's coming in through these holes here. So far, it's pretty sturdy. Alright, not too bad, so get the pole out and see what happens. So we got a retractable travel pole here. From Girigo Outdoor. Got this for 20 bucks online. And I got me a reverb spinning reel off of a reverb pole from Walmart. One of these smaller jig heads here, red and white. There's some little brim jumping over there. Fish on. Second one of the day. Oh, he didn't want to stay on there. Well, there he is. That's a little bit bigger. Pretty small. Go back down here. Honestly, for 200 bucks, if it gets you out somewhere, lake, body of water, you know, little pond, it's worth it to me. That's a crappie. Ooh. I'm recording this with a GoPro Hero 10. Funny story, I dropped my first Hero 10 in the lake along with my dive mask because I'm a scuba diver as well. So that day I lost about 600 bucks. Never found it. Went back, used a couple tanks. Never found it. Got another one on. He was fighting pretty good. Well, we got something. Yeah. Fish on. Little fish. Alright, I'm back. The Lifetime Hydros kayak did not disappoint. So I bet you I caught 15, 20 fish. Probably no. They weren't very big, but you still, it got me out there and had a good time. So I'm gonna see if there's any water in this now. It's the first time I've ever had it out. Actually, I just bought it today. And I'm gonna see if it's got water in it. Sorry about my hair, pond hair, don't care. So I'll put you on this chest mount and we'll see if it's got water in it. I'm gonna pull the plug here. Let's turn it upside down. So should be right up there where that drain plug is, and there's nothing. That's really good. Take some toilet paper, considering that's all I've got. Get some of this mud out of here. I think it's great and I highly recommend it. Hope this video helped you guys, and hey, happy fishing, happy kayaking. See you guys next time.